as the vendor answers the questions, in some cases, IDRA advice may pop or may jump or trigger. This happens when a question is answered in a way that requires some action on behalf of the vendor. In the next video, we'll show how on the enterprise or the customer side, you can customize the advice or the action items for the vendor, as well as set a work plan, priorities, and severity for the vendor. But in this case, as we've moved forward with a few questions, you've seen that the answers I've given have not been sufficient for the requirement of the customer that assigned this assessment to this particular vendor. You'll also notice that my total score, my completion percentage, and my first category score have begun to increase. When I click on IDRA advice, I can see the advice that have been automatically triggered. I can see that they are severity medium in this case. The status is pending. The vendor should accept the advice. And when completed, when the gap has been addressed, the vendor can mark it completed, or the vendor may choose to dispute. There's also a chat window that can be opened to ask questions directly to the enterprise or the customer side. A due date has also been automatically assigned, in this case of January 9th, 2019.